And closing arguments are underway in the Chad Daybell triple murder trial. He is the Eastern Idaho man accused of murder and conspiracy in the deaths of his first wife, Tammy, as well as the deaths of his current wife's children, JJ and Tylee. Abby Davis is live at the Ada County courtroom. Abby, what's the latest on this case right now?
Yeah, Brenda, outside of the Ada County courthouse, I just stepped outside. That's because closing arguments are still going on. The state has started. Prosecutor Lindsay Blake is talking to the jury right now as I speak, and she's talking directly to them. She's actually facing them. She's walking them through a timeline of Chad and Lori's relationship, how they met at a conference in 2018, how the two started their affair shortly after, and how they believed in dark and light spirits. Blake says the couple thought Tammy, JJ, and Tylee were dark spirits, zombies they had to get rid of.
3 dead bodies on the defendant Chad Daybell's property and or in the residence. 2 of them children, his mistress's kids. Joshua Jackson Vallow and Tylee Ryan were found buried in the defendant's backyard. Tammy Daybell was found dead in their marital bed. And for what? Money, power, and sex. That's what the defendant cared about.
Before closing arguments started, Judge Stephen Boyce read jurors dozens of instructions about deliberation. Some are pretty general, like remembering that Chad is innocent until proven guilty, that the state must prove the crimes beyond a reasonable doubt, and that Chad's decision not to testify won't impact the jury's decision. Again, other specific instructions about each of the counts listed in the state's charging documents, those were also read. Chad faces 3 counts of first-degree murder for the deaths of Tammy, Tylee, and JJ. He's also charged with conspiracy and insurance fraud, like I said right off the top. The state's still giving their closing remarks. The defense will go afterward, and of course, then that's deliberation time.
And Abby, are we going to continue to see, I mean, we saw that timeline in the prosecution's arguments there, the closing arguments on the defense side, are we going to see that timeline again?
It really just depends on what the defense attorney wants to say, so we'll just have to see.
Yeah, and you can watch the closing arguments live right now on our website at ktvb.com. Abby, thank you so much for covering this.